Guys, I'm so excited. I just received my silver play button from YouTube. The silver play button means I've hit 100,000 subscribers. And you see, I started Mr.YouWho 3 years ago. And that time, I literally just sat there with a pair of cheap headphones and did a review. And from there, it's just grown. I'm so excited. So what I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna open up the silver play button award so you can see what comes in it. I'm gonna talk a bit more about what I kind of did in the channel and how you guys have really helped me on the journey. And I guess the plans for the future and what I'm so excited to be doing. So again, I really thank you guys for all the support you provided me. To be honest, it was really difficult starting on my YouTube journey, and to get to this stage is just thrilling. So anyway, let's go and take a look and see what comes in the box. So firstly, as you can see there, it comes with the letter from Susan, the YouTube CEO, as you can see there. And it's a really nice letter. Essentially, it just says, you wouldn't have known, you probably knew who your first subscriber was, your 100th was, or even your 1000th. So well done on your 100,000 subscribers, which is a really nice letter to get, and it's actually signed by her as well. So I believe only about 300,000 channels have actually hit the 100,000 subscriber mark. So I'm pretty pumped up about it. So thank you, Susan, and thank you, YouTube. So let's take a look in the box. So you take that off. Now here is a silver play button. Now look at that, isn't that absolutely stunning? So there it is there. So if you take it out, and it feels, it's about 1.2 kilos. And there it is there. I'm going to bring it up so you guys can see. If you can see the subscribe button there, you see at the bottom, it says Mr.YouWho. Just get that. So there's a silver play button there. And again, it feels really good. But I guess it's a sense of accomplishment. When you're doing your YouTube channel, quite often you don't feel sometimes it's actually going anywhere. And sometimes you're not getting many subscribers and it's just kind of ticking by. So to actually get the award and actually get the recognition that what you're doing is actually making a difference is a big deal. And I guess for Mr.YouWho, as I said, I started by doing a watch review and also a pair of inexpensive headphones. You can see the reviews just there. And since that time, the channel's continued to grow. And I guess the one thing about when you're working on your YouTube channel is when you start out, you don't know where it's going to end up going. And thank you guys for all the support you provided me. It really is exciting. And I guess as you grow, you learn more about it. So anyone can join YouTube. And I think what I want to do is kind of talk a bit about my learning lessons that anyone can join YouTube. So anyone can jump on there, get a phone, take a video of themselves, upload it. But what people can't do is add a difference. So how's the difference? Well, increasing your video quality, increasing your sound quality, telling a story, creating a brand, creating a compelling vision, all these different things add towards building a business, which is YouTube is. So I've probably been doing this probably 20 hours a week for 3 years. I'm doing it full time at the moment, but most cases was doing it over night time, doing it on weekends, working away, not necessarily seeing the awards straight away, and slowly building a business. So it's very exciting. My other YouTube channel's got 78,000 subscribers, so I'm getting close towards doing that, Freedom Hours. So pretty excited to be getting a silver play button there as well. But it just shows, guys, put the effort in, apply yourself and the rewards can come. It really can. So, it's absolutely thrilling. And I think, actually getting this today really made it show me that I actually have achieved something with it. Now, I want to go to 1 million subscribers. So guys, if you're watching this, please subscribe, please click the notification button, please let people know. Anything you do is really appreciated. When you sit there and you watch the video, when you like, when you share, when you comment, friends and family, when you tell other people about it, every little step you do has helped add to this. So for anyone and everyone that's done that, for everyone that's been part of the journey, I may not know your name, I may not know who you are, but I really do thank you for this. And it really, from the bottom of my heart, I really do appreciate it. So I'm gonna jump on Freedom Hours and do a short video about this to talk about some of my key learnings on my YouTube journey to getting 100,000 subscribers. And I guess some kind of quick hints and quick tips I have for people about what they can do on the journey towards getting it. But again, it's been really good. So if you guys are on YouTube, reach out to me, let me know what you've done and how you've done it. And again, if you're a business or a brand looking for collaborations, please reach out to me. I love doing collaborations. I'm always free to reach out. Contact me. So anyway, again, thanks for being part of the journey. I'm really excited and really thrilled, and I can't wait for 1 million more. Thanks guys. And make sure, again, you like the video, you subscribe to the channel, as I always say, and share with your friends and family. And thanks for being here with me, Andy at Mr.YouWho.